I'm Jake Sadler and I'm from Pontypool, Wales. I started off looking into investing, how I could make my money work for me, and then I eventually came across property investments, and Samuel Leeds was the first YouTube channel to pop up. I entered the competition about 3-4 days later.
Right now, me and Amelia are going to select one person to win £4,000 credit.
So we're just going to have a quick look through.
And this is going to be completely random, right?
Yeah, completely random.
Okay.
And you're going to pick it in a second. We're just going to have a quick
Could be you.
And that's it. Go, ready?
One winner is Jake Sadler. Jake, congratulations, man. Your life is about to change.
Yeah, we'll try and get him on the phone. If we can, we'll try and get
Can we? Have we got his number? Yeah, what's up, Jake?
Hello.
What are you doing, bro?
I'm just at home at the moment.
Cool, buddy. Listen, just wanted to say congratulations. You won the £4,000 training credit, man.
Right, that's great.
It's great, man. It's great, man. It just means you're going to be able to do some training with us, get some knowledge, and become financially free. So, how are you feeling?
That's pretty good. I'm feeling amazing.
We need to sorry, we're gonna redo the prize draw. You weren't excited enough. Hold on, I'll call you back. Nah, anyway, Matt, I look forward to working with you. And as I say, once again, massive congrats. It's like that's pretty good. It's pretty good.
He might be a uni student, then he might just woke up.
Yeah. Jake's gonna look back on this moment. What day is it? October the 4th, 5th, whatever it is. 7th. Jake's gonna look back on this moment on the 7th and say, damn, I should have been more excited than that.
At the time, I didn't believe it, so I was a bit dull, and there wasn't much reaction. But afterwards, I called him back, and then it actually turned out to be him, and then I went wild.
Who's this?
This is Jake.
Hey, yes, it was me, bro.
Wait, really? That's crazy.
Dude, you come in on the advanced training, yeah? We got you skipped, man. £4,000 credit.
I guess, yeah.
I thought you didn't sound excited earlier.
Well, I just didn't believe it. I just didn't know what to do. I just thought, oh, no way.
Dude, man, I look forward to getting to know you.
Me too.
I'll get the guys to send you out a confirmation in the next few hours.
Cheers, thank you.
All right, bless you, bro. Thanks, Jake. Awesome. He thought it was a trick. That's why he wasn't excited.
In terms of property, I'd like to do every form of investment, lease option agreements, buy, refinance, refurbish, rent to rent. There's many things I can do. I think it's one of the only forms of investment that is safer than, say, starting a business, but then it will give you more cash flow than, say, stocks and shares.
Good stuff. You enjoyed the program?
Yeah, it's been wicked so far.
Nice, man. Yeah, so you're doing the Deal Finding Extravaganza, Never Use Your Own Money Again program, where we go through rent to rent and whatnot as well. And that's next month, man.
Yeah.
Cool. Nice one.
It's going to be awesome. I'm really excited for it.
Last time New was filming you was when he was filming you on record, when you were like, yeah, whatever.
Oh, yeah. Because, you know, I got a phone call off you, and then it was like, oh, it's not him. I thought it was sort of like a robot call.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I just, you don't expect it really, do you? You know, it's like winning the lottery almost. And then that's why I called you back, and then I knew it was real, and then I went wild.
Oh man, that's so nice. What have you got then from this program? What's kind of happened this weekend?
Oh, this weekend, yeah, it's even though I knew sort of the basics,
Yeah.
it was sort of like I couldn't really imagine how I go about it. So watching you do it, and then Alistair find a HMO, it's things like that really just build on top of the knowledge that I already had.
Yeah, that's great. So what's next?
Probably focus on deal sourcing as well as rent to rent.
Cool.
Phone some people up, see what I can do.
How's your dad found the program?
Even though I sort of dragged him along to it because I didn't want to drive, he's probably enjoyed it more than I have.
Really?
Yeah.
Has he loved it?
Yeah.
That's cool, man. What would you say to someone that said to you, oh man, how old are you? You're 18?
Yeah. 18.
Someone said to you, oh, you're 18, no one's going to take you serious.
Yeah.
How do you feel about that?
Well, I mean...
Is that something that you worry about, or are you like, nah, no way, I'm going to kill it?
You know, I was worried about it, but now I've seen like James you know, it's just come off the back of a 65k deal.
Yeah.
Just as a deal sources, not to mention any other properties that you
True.
might own. So
I guess seeing other people doing it when they're young, it just shows it's possible. And if they can do it, so can you.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. Dude, I'm well excited about seeing you journey. So thanks for being here.
Yeah.
And I'll see you next month.
Thanks a lot.
Good job.
I did the Deal Finding Extravaganza, so that is on November 20th, and I'm just waiting to see how that is, and hopefully it'll be great.
Thank you so much. It's been a great challenge. Listen, everyone's a winner though, because the crash course is free. So if you've not booked on the Property Investors Crash Course, I'm going to put a link below in the description on the house. Cost us tens of thousands to put the events on with all the lighting and the stage and the audios and visuals and the music and the room hire. We put it on for free. Why? Because we are on an absolute mission to see as many people as possible become financially free through property. I even make my staff, you've done the training.
Yeah.
Your mom has done the training.
Yeah.
How's she getting on?
She's loving it.
Get on the training, man. Links below. I'll see you there.